Don't let it go. Chasing a dream. What you do. Don't let it go. Chasing a dream. What you do.
What up, YouTube fam? This your boy, DIY Kari. If y'all don't know, I got another channel, J Starks Vlogs. But this channel, I'm about to do nothing but DIY stuff. I might post this on my main channel, I don't know yet. But for this one, it's definitely going on my DIY channel because I did this myself, man. Why would I post it on there? And I made a DIY channel just for that. But without further ado, let me show you what I've been doing. I finally, after almost 8 months, I'm hooking my system back up. As you can see, the wires already ran. I haven't put the fuse in because I want to make sure everything is ran first. It ran the way I want it. As you can see, I already did the line out converter. Tapped into my subwoofer that I had, the 8-inch sub that comes with the Harman Kardon. Harman Kardon is good, but I want my 15 back. Plus, my wife been bugging me about putting the 15 back in, so thought I'd go ahead and do that. I had to look up the diagram for these speakers because I did not know what was positive and negative. So I looked it up, made sure I had it right, and I did. And I put the ground wire right here, which a lot of people say you don't need it. But I went ahead and put it because when I had my system hooked up in my old charger, the dude that hooked up my system, Papa, he put the ground wire. So I'm putting it back in there. But yeah, man, this is all hooked up. Let me get that out of there. Like I said, I have not put the fuse in yet. I have not hooked up the battery yet because I want to make sure all my wires ran perfectly. Some people don't care about that. I do. I got everything ran to my massive amp, positive ground. This is a remote wire. I just gotta put my speaker in, man, and we done. There you go, speaker, 15 massive. I think it's 1500 watts. That's pretty much all I wanted. I could go bigger, but I don't need it. Like I said, I got wires behind here hidden, wires under the chair. I'm sorry, wires under the chair, that way they're hidden. Wires behind here from the line out converter, that way they're not seen. And like I said, this is a pretty straightforward setup. I might eventually get rid of this line out converter and put a LC2 so I could actually put a switch up by the dash so I can turn off the bass when I want it off. But until then, your boy is rocking converter. Until then, like right now, I don't really care. I just want the system hooked back up. But let me get to it. Let me put this speaker in, then I'll come back on, let y'all see the finishing product. All right, peace. Finished product. All set up, like I said, wires hitting up there. Still gotta tack that up. But yeah, man, custom box, 15 massive, all hooked up. Told y'all I'd get it done. Again, this your boy DIY Kari. Make sure y'all go give me a subscribe on my channel and my other channel, J Starks Vlogs. That's my main channel. But everything I do on my own is going on this channel, and I might post it on the other channel. I'll let your boy, like I said, subscribe, like, comment, Anything y'all want to put in the comments, let me know how I did. If y'all can do better, hey, it is what it is. Like, this is my first time doing it. I'm an electrical engineer, but I do not like running wires. I don't know what it is.
Don't let it go. Chasing a dream. Hey, you.